You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
Yo, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Doyle back with another video, man. This is just gonna be a chill video, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't about to come on this video all lit and shit. So, yeah, hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. See, I say that right now. Hope y'all did. I personally didn't. I didn't get to see my family, so that is very unfortunate. But anyway, before I get started, man, if you are interested in a one-on-one session, please DM me on Instagram. I'm currently on a break right now. I already got my sessions booked for this weekend. So after this weekend, I'm taking a couple of weeks off because I've been doing a lot of one-on-one sessions, and I also need to trade and focus on my journey as well. So I'm taking a break, but once I get back on, you know, the regular weekend, you know, sessions, then I'll let y'all know. But yeah, man, this is a trade right here that I took on, I want to say, well, on 25th. Yeah, on the 25th of November. Beautiful trade, man. It had a lot of confluences with the higher time frame. So I'm going to explain this to you. I hope this can help you so you can understand how the higher time, well, first of all the time frames work together, but the 1 hour works very well with the 15-minute and the 5-minute because like it's the next higher time frame up. So it's like the 15-minute, then the next higher time frame up is the 1 hour, then the next higher time frame is the 4 hour, and the next time frame is the daily. So it's just like you got to look at that higher time frame up to see which direction you want to go in. So right here, when I wake up on this gray shaded area and I see the 200 flat, I'm like, okay, this is I just don't know. Like this can go either way, and it's obviously a fib short right here. If you can see it broke structure right here, and it looked like it's a fib short. And someone was like, nah, just wait, because once I looked at the 1 hour, it's pushing up, right? It's pushing up. Nothing is saying that it want to go down. So at this point right here, you see this engulfing bullish candle. At this time, it's about to close. Now, if the 1 hour close with the engulfing, most likely it's going to push up in the next hour or so. So I see this. I'm like, okay, this is an engulfing on the 1 hour. So I'm going to drop back down to the 15-minute. So, okay, so this happens. And I'm like, okay. Now we have broken a high. I'm like, okay. Let me mark this up for y'all so I can see, because some people still don't be understanding like structure. You gotta understand structure, man. Where is, okay, right here. It broke this high right here. So I'm like, okay, let me start my fib from right here. I started from right here. Now listen, y'all, I keep getting this question and I'm so tired of it, bro. Do not rely on the fib points, man. I keep trying to tell people, if you can learn market structure, you can take them off and start going crazy. Some people gonna keep them on because they just don't understand higher lows and higher highs, etc. So at this moment, you don't see a fib point on there. This, like right here, at this point, there is no fib point. So if you can't be ahead of the indicator, you're not going to be able to catch a lot of setups because you're relying on these little points, man. I can't keep stressing that enough, man. Don't rely on indicators. The main indicator is price. So anyway, I see that it breaks structure. And I'm like, okay, let's see if it pulled back, right? Because the 1 hour is an engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle. So I wait for it to pull back. As you can see, that candle right here was fully red, man. And look where it's rejected from. People that watched my strategy video was like against me trading live when the candle was open. I can't make this stuff up, man. People gonna listen one day, bro. If you would have entered when the candle closed, you know how many pips you would have missed? Let me show you how many pips you would have missed. You missed 14 pips, bro. You literally missed 14 pips if you would have waited for that candle to close. That's why I don't play it safe, man. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's just what it is, man. So right here, you literally miss almost 15 pips because you wanted to wait for the candle to close. That's on y'all, bro. That's not how I trade. So I literally entered right on that. Literally zero drawdown. Like, it was so magical when I traded this, man. I put it on my Instagram. It was so crazy. I'm like, wow. Now, like I said before on my last Fibonacci videos, price bounces off of moving averages, bro. So we see it's a 200 right there. That could have been resistance right there. I mean, support. It's a 50 right there. So that could have been support. It's a bunch of moving averages right here. So it's a lot of dynamic support right here. And we got market structure break, and we have an engulfing candle on the 1 hour. That's a lot of confluences, especially is really a big confluence when the 1 hour is letting you know its direction beforehand. Because like I said, these couple candles was the engulfing on the 1 hour. So I'm like, okay, this is high probable, bro. Like, literally, it took maybe, I want to say 3 minutes before first TP was hit, like 3 minutes. And I'm like, wow, bro, that is absolutely crazy. So I did leave a runner. I didn't catch everything. I think my last position, I got out at the 0%. But this boy started going. And it wasn't planned. It was not planned, bro. I'm like this was crazy. Now here's the thing, man. For y'all greedy traders, y'all gonna want to catch every pips, like all the pips, and it's just like, bro, you don't have to do that, man. Take your pips and go, man. We don't know what the market is going to do. That's why my take profit is so small. That's why y'all are constantly winning. When you grab small moves, that's the consistency part. The runners are just to maximize it. Bro, it's like, people just don't understand, man. Like, first of all, you're not gonna win every trade. The chance of you winning is very high because your take profit is small. So every trade, you're going to be grabbing something. That's where the consistency is at. When people want to just hold their trades and just keep holding it, it's just like, bro, what is the chances of you catching a bigger move consistently versus catching a smaller move consistently? And I'm not going to lie, man. My last video, I said I'm going to rock with like EUR pairs. You can just scratch that right now. I am only focusing on volatile pairs, really only GBP pairs. And I say that because I'm starting to get to a point where I'm so comfortable with fibs that I'm ready to start catching more pips. I'm getting to that point now. It's just like, I don't care what pair I'm trading now. I'm still staying away from gold and US 30. I'm sorry, but no, I'm not trading that. But GBP pairs respect fibs as well. So I'm just like, 15 pips, 14, 15 pips a day, and you're playing standards. Come on, man. So I'm done playing it safe. I swear I'm done playing it safe. I'm just gonna trust my ability, man. I know I'm a great trader. But yeah, man, I'm slow pairs, I'm over it. I'm very over it. I'm just ready to get to that next level. We always gotta level up, man. Eventually, we probably all gonna stop trading forex. You're probably gonna be trading gold every day. You're probably gonna be trading US 30, whatever. But we all have to level up eventually. So yeah, I'm rocking with these pairs now. Like, for real. Like, I said that before, but I'm serious this time. I'm rocking with these 3 pairs. But yeah, man, this is a beautiful trade, man. Like, you go on a 1 hour. Look what happened. The engulfing happened. And you basically caught the pullback on the engulfing to go up. Beautiful trade, man. You can't get more better than that. This the most sniperist entry ever. Like, people went, like, I'm telling you, it's a lot of people that be thinking I'm faking this stuff. Like, bro, there's no way you caught it at literally the tip of the wick. And it's just like, bro, that's just the power of fibs, bro. I don't think anything is more powerful than fibs or break and retest. And that's just facts. That's just facts, bro. So Yeah, man, I hope you learned something from this, man. Look at the 1 hour, see what type of candles are closing, because that's going to get you an idea as to where the 5 minute or the 15 minute potentially want to go. Okay. Yes, the 200 is flat, but since it's flat, it can go both ways. Now I saw that. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. So I saw that there was a market structure break to the downside. Again, you could have won on this trade. Well, it kind of touched. Yeah. It's up to you if you want to just get in like really like right at the tip of it. Like it almost touched the 70, but you could have caught that. Let's just say you would have just like caught this. That's 23 pips you would have caught for a sale, and then you could have caught this buy for another 14 plus pips. So it's just like, bro, fibs is the shit. I'm sorry, but it's the shit. Now, taking that sale is kind of more riskier because, like I said, the 1 hour is pushing up. Let's go in the trend of the 1 hour. You will catch more pips. Now, let's see how many pips it actually went for. And and have you noticed that the fib point have not shown? It didn't show up. It haven't shown up yet. So for the people that missed this because they were relying on a fib point, you missed a lot of pips, bro. So I advise you to go learn market structure and candlesticks. I advise you to learn that. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's it. Let's just stop it right there. Once this shaded area is over, is after it's 11 o'clock. I'm done looking at the setup. It touched my zero. I got out, and then it did a bunch of BS. So it's just like, don't be mad that you didn't catch all the pips. You know what I'm saying? Don't be mad at all. But I hope this was very informative to you, man. Okay. The main thing is you need look. Okay, now look. You see the fib point just showed up, right? Lagging, man. Lagging, bro. The indicator is only cool if the fib has been created before. I want to say like maybe 7-8 candles or maybe like 4 or 5. I don't really know when the indicators show up, but it's only good if the fib is already set up for you. Now, if it's like this small fib, like literally this was like 1, 2, 3 candles. It didn't show up. So you have to get good with market structure, man. Like you just gotta get good with market structure. I can't stress it enough. You're gonna be missing setups, you're gonna be missing money because you're relying on that indicator, man. The indicator was the training wheels for people that can't see this. Get good at this and you could be able to catch these setups without it, man. This one guy messaged me the other day and he was like, is this a fib, right? And I saw 3 fibs and he only saw 1. Come on, man. You gotta get good at this. So, yeah. Hope this helps you. Keep practicing, man. I keep getting the same questions over and over on my DMs. I'm getting so tired of it. I'm be honest, I'm getting so tired of it, man. I get the same thing. What's the best time frame to trade fibs? There is no best time frame. This is a skill, man. Certain days are good for certain days. There's 1 hour fibs, there's 5 minute fibs, there's 15-minute fibs. You have to know when to pull it out at the exact same time. That comes with experience, man. I keep trying to tell people you're not going to be the best at trading fibs because you haven't been doing this for a while. If you're new and you don't know market structure, you're just not going to be finessing them on the market like that. You're just not going to be finessing, man. Like straight up. So keep practicing, learn market structure and candlesticks, man. And just go through your experience trading fibs. That's all I can say, man. If you still need extra help, schedule the one-on-one session. That's it. I can't constantly, like, dog. I literally be getting like 4 to 5 of the same questions by different people. I'm just like, dude, like this is so annoying. Yeah, man, that's all I gotta say. I'm just ranting. I know y'all don't really care about that, but hope this video helped you. Yeah, man, let's just keep getting better. Keep practicing. Keep working, man. We all can get good at this. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I have been trading fibs for a very long time. So, yeah. That's all I got. Peace and love.